Let's face it, many customers browse, add to cart, but leave without knowing about your running deals. It's missed sales opportunities. That's why the Today Offer comes into play. BOGOS has two options, the Today Offer widget and the Today Offer block. Both showcase all available offers without disrupting your store's design, and today I'll show you how to set up both. First, make sure you have BOGOS installed. If not, click the link I dropped in the description below. From your BOGOS dashboard, click on Boosters, then navigate to the Today Offer widget and click Add. For the setup, I'll start with the offer list. In the General section, I fill in the booster name, which is used for internal management. Then I edit the booster title. This will be shown to customers, so I want it to be catchy, like Top Picks for You. There's also an optional subtitle field where I can add more context to grab more attention. Now let's move to the offer card section. There are two layout options here, thumbnail or product preview, as you see here. Next, I'll choose which offers to display. There are two ways to do this. If you use Automatically Select, all your active offers including gift, bundle, and discount will be automatically displayed. Bear in mind that the Today Offer widget will only display active offers. In contrast, if you choose the Manually Select, a table showing all your offers will appear. Simply pick the specific active offers you want to promote. Next, let's move to the Edit Offer display. It helps to customize how each offer looks. For this section, the customization options change based on your card layout choice. Mine is thumbnail. You'll see a drop-down here. Pick any offer to customize it. For this, I can edit the title and description, which are displayed to customers. I can also add and customize a redirect link to navigate customers to the product page or a specific collection. Next, you'll see three choices for your offer thumbnail. The One Product Image and Product Image group let you select product images to represent the offer. The Custom Image lets you pick from available icons or upload your own. Now let's try swapping to Product Preview layout for the offer card and see how it differentiates. We will have Product List label here, which will appear above the product list. So make it more navigational by entering something like, buy at least one to get better price. The content section here will decide whether to show the offer description if you choose the thumbnail layout. In case you're using Product Preview, it also allows you to hide or unhide the product list label. Let's move to the widget style. This is where you can customize your Today Offer widget's appearance. The icon section here allows you to choose the widget style and positioning. You can select your icon from BOGOS's default options or upload from your computer. Then adjust the size and padding to best fit your store. Under Page Display, decide where the widget appears. You can show it on all pages, or choose specific pages to include or exclude. Then go to Color and customize each element to match your brand. Once everything looks good, make it go live. Now let me show you how this works on the storefront. When customers visit your store, they'll see the Today Offer icon at the bottom corner. After clicking, all your active offers will appear. Let's move to another way to display your offers, using the Today Offer block. First, go back to the Boosters section, select Today Offer block, and hit Add. The good news is that the offer list setup is identical to the widget section we just covered, so if you need details, just rewind to that part. What's different here is the block style. This is where you choose a layout for the block on the desktop version, with 2 offers or 3 offers in each row. Please note that on mobile, the widget will show only 1 offer per row. Then adjust any element color to match your store's design. Finally, click here to activate it. Add the Today Offer block to your theme. Unlike the widget that automatically appears on your store, the block needs to be manually added to your theme pages. Here's how. Go to Online Store, then from the Theme view, click Edit Theme. In the Shopify theme editor, navigate to the page where you want the block to appear. Click Add section, then Apps, find the BOGOS Today Offer block and drag it to your desired position. By default, all your Today Offer blocks will display, but if you want to show only one specific block, here's what to do. Go back to Boosters in the BOGOS app, choose the booster you want to display, and copy its ID. Then, return to your Shopify theme editor and paste that ID into the Booster ID field. Your block is now live on your store. That's how you set up the Today offer to showcase all your running promotions on Shopify using the BOGOS app. If you want to try this out, get started with BOGOS's free plan and have your first 30 free orders. Then upgrade with a 7-day free trial by clicking the link I dropped below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.